downshifter first. Wait, listen. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video, and for today's video we are currently sat in the car, and the reason why I'm not starting the video outside the car today is because look at that bloody time. This is the bloody time that Bill Gates gets up, like probably earlier than this, but like, do I look like fucking Bill Gates? No I don't. I look like bloody this. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm starting. I don't want to wake my family up, I don't want to wake anyone else up, because my hey guys is just ridiculously, like, it will snap necks if somebody's next to me. Yeah, we've got the car on right now, we are warming it up. Got some on my phone. Listen, oh look how dirty my car is. Firstly, because it's winter, it is absolutely ridiculously dirty, but we've got the exhaust going right now. Listen to that, chugging away on that 50 miles per gallon or something like that. But yeah, this is my car if anybody hasn't seen it before. Vauxhall Corsa limited edition, 1.2 litre. Honestly, I thought people would be so sick of POVs by now, but surprisingly every single time I do them somebody asks me to do it again. But here it is, a little bit of changes that have happened since the last POV. Is the back is honestly one of my favorite bits of the car now, because we've got the spoiler extension, rear spats, and now the exhaust. But yeah, it is getting ridiculously dirty. We've got splitter all around, wheels. Yeah, you guys have seen it before. Like, I've done about 50,000 POVs, so if you guys want to see a more in-depth version, you can go look at that. But we're hopping in the car right now, and yeah, honestly I don't even know why people want more POVs, but surprisingly you guys do. And look at this in the back. Firstly, oh, in the cup holder right here we've actually got a humidifier from Fatbits UK. This is the same company that's supplied my steering wheel. Look at how cool that is. Like, honestly, I watch DEEJAY, don't know if you guys do, but he has a humidifier and this is fucking sick. Like, just having it on the background in the videos. I'll probably turn it off because it gets a bit smoky in here. Not really, like you can see it vaporizes and it goes away after a while, but you know, it just comes out in front of your face and it kind of blocks you, so I will turn that off for you guys. But yeah, that's very cool, Fatbits UK. I'll try and leave a link to that in the description. Let's actually get onto the open road and let's go for a little bit of a drive. Honestly boys, this is the earliest I've woken up for a long time. I woke up actually, very interesting story for you. Don't know if I can't see, I'm gonna go anyway. My girlfriend had a bad tummy this morning at like 4 in the morning, so I've been up since 4. I usually get up at like 12 or something, because this lockdown, this second lockdown has just fucked my girlfriend's and mine sleeping pattern up, so it's a bit annoying. But this is actually the earliest I've woken up, and I love getting up this early. You just feel a bit more productive. It's not even, I wouldn't have woken up by now and I'm already starting a video. I just absolutely fucking love it. I love it. But yeah, back on the POVs, as you guys can see, you know, I'm so damn happy with how the car is looking right now, because, you know, at the start, the front of the car was my favourite part. You know, I didn't actually like the back of the car. However, now the back of the car is my favourite. That rear lip, spoiler lip, is absolutely beautiful. It gives the car, you don't need a diffuser now, I don't think. I will get a diffuser if I can find one. This is like, I'm so damn close to getting rid of this car. Like, I'm trying to get rid of this car by April. So I'm gonna plan on paying the car off in the next month or two, and then it'll be fully mine and I can sell it whenever I want. However, I'm not gonna sell it straight away. I'm gonna wait until April, because that's when my insurance renews, so I can get my no year's claim bonus or something. And also, as well as that, I can, I can also save up money until then, so I can get a better car if I want one. So that's just very good. Get into like a little bit of country roads. You guys have seen these roads before. Honestly, I've done POVs here all the time. I've never done a morning one. Honestly, look how slow. Look at how far away I slow down. It's because I haven't used my brakes yet. You know, my brake pads are on 50% life, I think they said. So trying to keep them going for as long as possible. But you know what, let's hear the engine nice and early in the morning. Let's give it. I do that just so that, because there's a little skinny bridge here. Let's downshift to first. Wait, listen. Oh, you don't know that sauce. Watch this, bro. This is really awkward because I can't see me yet. God, I can't get over. God, that's close. Jeez, can you not just wait for a fucking second, mate? Jeez. He probably wants to keep his pace up, but honestly, that was too close for my liking, honestly. What do you do in that situation? Do I just fucking mount the grass like I'm a bloody monster truck or something? Like, yeah, I don't know. You're gonna get wet shoes if you run on the grass. But you know what? There's a fucking car behind you at the end of the day. I don't know. Or you could have done what that other prick did and run out of front of my car. What is that? What was that? Yo, you know what? I shouldn't even be slating them because they're actually running. My fucking lazy ass looks as skinny as one of those drumsticks you get at Halloween. In lockdown, me and my girlfriend were planning on, you know, going for runs and shit like this. However, somebody in our fucking house got COVID, and I say somebody like that is because the person who got COVID doesn't ever respect the, you know, social distancing, anything basically, any of the rules in place. I don't care if you don't, but you know, if you don't respect the other people around you, if you live by yourself, who gives a shit? But if you live with somebody, at least fucking respect it. I mean, yeah, like the first lockdown, no respect to it. So yeah, ended up getting COVID, so we all had to stay in the house for 2 weeks, and finally we're allowed out. So if you guys don't know, for the past 2 weeks I haven't uploaded a video actually driving a car. That's the reason why, because I've actually been stuck indoors. I have been doing videos in my driveway, however, yeah, I mean, that is pretty, I don't know if people would say that's self-isolating, but I would 100% say that's kind of just self-isolating. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm not interacting with nobody. Jesus Christ. What is fucking wrong with runners? Do they think I'm a bloody smart car? Like, look at this bit. They have a little bit of like thing to run on. Like, it's not like they're gonna get their feet fucking wet. It's like this terrain bit. Gee, am I being like a Karen here, or am I being like, this isn't a run? It's not like I'm driving on a pedestrian place. Jesus crikey. Let's go down this way. Let's go to some country nice roads. I just want to let you know, 2021 is going to be the banging year for POVs. In my birthday, I'm not going to say which month it is because I don't like people knowing my birthday. Not for any privacy reasons. It's just like, I don't want people saying happy birthday. It's just, I don't know, it's just another day to me, really, I think. But yeah, like middle of next year, I will be 21. Surprisingly, like I look about 12. However, I will be 21 years old, and I'll be able to take cars out on 24-hour test drives. I'll ask companies to lend me cars for maybe even a week or something, but once that actually happens, I can do POVs, hopefully in a new car every so often. So it won't just be my next car that I'll do constant POVs in like this, because I've done about 50 POVs in this car. Like, that is not even a joke, probably. Let's downshift. 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 Jeez. Brake, brake, brake. God, my car's gonna get so fucking dirty, man. Gee. Ready? Clutch in. Yeah, but oh Jesus Christ, I feel like I've just come out the womb. You guys gotta agree with me here. All UK car YouTubers, they don't keep their cars for long. Literally, I swear to God, most of them have their cars for barely any time, and it actually genuinely, I feel like I'm a viewer as well, so I get vexed. You know, I get just as vexed as you guys do when these people sell their cars. Like, I'm not going to name names because, you know, they can do what they want, but, you know, it's just like, I'm genuinely putting, you know, I'm putting 3 years in the making into this car, while other YouTubers can't keep their cars for a month. Like, I guess by the time we're done with this car, it will have hopefully everything I want to do to it. Like, I don't like that I've had this car for so long because it doesn't mix things up, but when I get a new car, what I'm saying to you guys is it's gonna be like, it's not gonna be my next car. I've actually got one in mind, but it's not gonna be a car that's gonna blow everyone's mind away. It's gonna be a car that I will make look sick, sound sick. I'll be installing everything myself like usual, hopefully everything myself by usual, unless it needs like really professional work, but I'll be trying to. When I get a new car, no matter what car it is, people are gonna be wowed because it's like, oh my God, he's actually got a new car, what the fuck. Let's go. But yeah, I'm gonna test drive loads of cars before buying a car, but I am planning on getting one particular car. Woo! That first gear overtake was appalling. It was actually appalling. I don't think second gear is when it starts to at least work. Second gear is when it at least starts to, you know, feel like it's going faster. First gear, you may as well push a shopping trolley car. You know, a shopping trolley car. What the fuck am I doing? A shopping trolley cart would have beat this car. Thank you for actually staying on the fucking path, letting the car come through, unlike those fucking twats at the start of the video. Listen to that beautiful V8 sound of that Ferrari. Jeez, the rear wing on the car, the rear wing on the top is the one that is putting all that downforce on the car. Look at this. Honestly, if the police were trying to catch me now, they wouldn't catch up, boys. This does 0 to 60. Actually, this does 0 to... This actually does, like, this isn't even a lie, 0 to 1 mile per hour in about 0.2 seconds. So, oof, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. At least, right, I'm not these YouTubers that fight over how quick their car goes. You know who. I'm tapping my nose right now. Tap you on the nose. See the tint. I actually tinted my windows, however, you guys can see it's not tinted anymore. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're the same. That one's not tinted, that one's not tinted. 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 That one's not tin it's actually because I ripped it off. After the last video of tinting my windows, I actually ripped it off because this side started to peel off when I put that window up and down. So I was just like, you know what, I'll do it again, but I'll properly, professionally do it again, myself, hopefully. But the last time, what was wrong with last time is I didn't put it properly into the seal. So it was like ripping, basically. So hopefully I'll do it right next time, and then we'll have a proper tinted window that won't come loose or anything. I like to do these things like right, so that you don't have to, I don't know, so my next car will be perfect. I want the windows to be tinted from standard, not crazily tinted, just 70% like my last one. And when we took the tint off, even my girlfriend said, like, my girlfriend doesn't notice fucking shit. I could have a fucking rear wing on the car and she wouldn't notice. No offense to her, but she actually noticed that there was a difference after I took the tint off. So it's actually really nice having a 70% tint. Right then, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see your faces in my next video. What? Subscribe if you are new, and follow me on Instagram at _OtherStuff for behind the scenes and stuff. And I will see you.